Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you our newest feature, the fact sheet, which enables our users to create detailed reports about the companies they're interested in under 10 minutes. That usually takes a couple hours or maybe days. So here is our dashboard. As you can see, BounceWatch. Here in the tab of tools, you can see the fact sheets. Let's click on it. Oh, sorry. And so today I was thinking we can do the company Klarna, which all of you know, that helps you pay in 30 days. So Klarna, and right now it's generating. So now, as you can see, it's 11:03. So let's wait a couple minutes, and when it's ready, I will restart the video, and you can see how fast it is. Okay, so hello again. As you can see, it's 11:11. And it took 8 minutes, literally. So your fact sheets, Klarna, let's click on it. And then as you can see, here, you can see all the report, 12 pages, company name, slogan, summary, the country the headquarters are in, when it was founded, the number of employees, their social account links, then their whole management team, then the funding stage and the total funding they had, the actual funding stage, which is IPO, so initial public offering. And then here we can see the investors, how much amount they invested in. Then all the market problems for Klarna, the services they offer, what their products are, and which features they offer. Then which customers they target, and what are the potential ones that they can target in the future as well. Then here we can see the top competitors, as well as similar scale competitors with all the detailed information about them. And also, here you can see all of them. And also the focus regions and markets that they're in right now, Europe, North America, and which regions they target again. Then here we can see the market size estimates, so how much of the market they can address to, how much of them is serviceable, and how much of them is actually obtainable. Here you can see all the values, the volume, the percentages, here as well with the assumptions, then what their competitive advantages are, so what do they offer, market penetration strategies, and the whole executive summary. So as you can see, a 12-page company fact sheet was prepared under 8 minutes with all the available, important, and needed information for when you make investments or when you want to know more about a company specifically. So here it is. I hope you can use it and it will be helpful. Thank you very much, guys.